Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
The secret to a tender sirloin starts before it even hits the pan. First, allow your steak to come to room temperature for about 30 minutes. This helps it cook evenly all the way through. Next, gently pat the entire surface completely dry with paper towels. A dry surface is crucial for achieving that amazing, crusty sear we all crave. Finally, don't be shy. Season your steak generously on all sides with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple step locks in incredible flavor. Now let's talk about that irresistible crust. You'll need a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, heated over high heat until it just begins to smoke. Once hot, add a small amount of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, to lightly coat the pan. Carefully place your seasoned sirloin into the hot pan. Resist the urge to move or peek. Let it sear undisturbed for a full 3 minutes on one side. This critical step builds that beautiful, flavorful crust. Once your steak has developed a beautiful crust on one side, it's time to flip it over just once. Immediately after flipping, toss in a generous knob of butter, a few smashed garlic cloves, and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme into the pan. Tilt the pan slightly and, using a spoon, continuously baste the melted, aromatic butter mixture over the steak. This incredible technique deeply infuses your sirloin with rich, savory flavor and ensures it stays wonderfully tender. Knowing when your steak is perfectly cooked is key to avoiding an overdone meal. The absolute best way to check for doneness is using an instant-read meat thermometer. For a juicy medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of around 125 degrees Fahrenheit while it's still in the pan. Carefully insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the steak, ensuring you avoid any bone or large pieces of fat. The temperature will rise a few more degrees as it rests. The final, crucial step is often overlooked but guarantees a truly tender steak. Once your sirloin reaches its desired temperature, immediately transfer it from the hot pan to a clean cutting board. Let it rest there, undisturbed, for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital. It allows all those delicious internal juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, preventing them from spilling out when sliced. Finally, carve your perfectly cooked sirloin against the grain into beautiful, even slices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.